Dennis Dynamics are just approaching Le Mans in France. Debbie's making sure she doesn't dehydrate. iPops there. We do have the father-in-law in front, who has just ate a whole box of chocolate fingers, so is feeling the sugar rush because for the first time he is in the lead. That's us. There we are. Just gonna try and overtake you, but I don't think he's letting us. There's Peter driving. Oh, we're not going to overtake you. His chocolate fingers have won and his sugar rush. The sun is shining a little bit. It wasn't earlier on, but we coped very well. We coped very well. This is how Debbie coped.
Are you filming?
Yes.
At the top line?
Yes. That's how I coped with the rain. It's now sunny. A little bit warm. This is how I cope with it being a bit warm. And his dad. Right. There's the motorhome at the back. Then so far has stayed in place. The sock there.